Dear connections, today we will discuss about one more important DAX scenario-based interview question, which was frequently asked by various MNCs and startups. So, without any further delay, let's jump into my dataset at first. So, this is an Excel dataset where in the dimension table I have roll number, student name, class, and section, and in the fact table, I have roll number, math, and the respective marks of the student in math, science, and English. And the requirement is we need to calculate the percentage of like all over percentage of all the student. Like roll number 201, we need to do summation of these three subject. Then we need to divide it by 300 since all this subject has 100 plus 100 plus 100 numbers each. I mean 100 number was the full marks, so total 300. So the background calculation will be 45 plus 55 plus 50 divided by 300. After that into 100 to get the percentage. To implement it in the DAX, let me show you my Power BI desktop. I already imported this dataset, and you can see the data modeling. The data modeling is simple. Roll number was the primary key. So yeah, it is a one-to-one relationship, and I already created a measure called student percentage. Okay, let me show you the DAX measure. So at first I declared a variable to store the value of total marks. Total marks means for all these three subjects after summation what will be the value. And after that, since we used a variable, then we need to return something obviously. So in the return statement, I use divide function, total marks, then 300, then 0. So this will basically divide with 300, then star 100. Star 100 means like it is basically the multiplication. Okay. Then after that, this is coming. Hmm. So let us verify the first case for Amit's case. So let me search calculator to check that we did the correct thing or not. Wait a minute, calculator is opening. So Amit got 50 marks in English, then 45 marks in maths, then 55 marks in science, 150. It should be divided by 300, then into 100. Yes, 50%. So that means our DAX code is correct. I am showing you the DAX measure once again. If you want, you can take a screenshot. You can pause the video and take a screenshot, and obviously practice in your Power BI local in your local folder and in your Power BI desktop on your personal laptop. Otherwise, in the interviewer will definitely ask to write this DAX measure or calculate column in your notepad file by sharing the screen. If you do not practice, you will not be favorable with all these things. So yeah, thank you very much. And one more thing I want to add that uh, if you need to use this sum function, otherwise it will throw an error. Let me show you why. At first I will copy the whole DAX code, Ctrl C, then paste it later, Ctrl V, then this one star this one. Now I will remove these sums. Okay. Like you may think that why we are giving the sum. We can directly do the plus also. Why we should use sum. Now let me comment. Now see the error is coming. What is the error? A single value for column English in table fact student marks cannot be determined. This can happen when a measure or function formula refers to a column that contains many values without specifying an aggregation such as mean, max, count or sum to get a single result. See this this English this is a normal column and it has multiple values. Okay, like some got 50, some got 45, some got 49. Okay, so this is the thing. So for this reason we need to use the sum function. Now let me remove this, remove the incorrect DAX code. Always create this kind of small data sets and practice in your personal laptop, because in real time projects also you will frequently face this kind of issues. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you.